press conference, congratulations to the De La Salle Green Archers for beating the FEU Tamaraw 68-62. The Green Archers are now at 4-1. We have Coach Topex Robinson and Mike Phillips. Coach Topex, congratulations for this victory. It's a big bounce back win. Although it's a short turnaround from your previous loss, so how the boys responded from this?
Again, it's just another challenging opportunity for us. And I told them that can I go back to our UE game? UE didn't upset us. They really deserved the win. Sometimes we're taking away the credit from Coach Jack and the rest of the team. They really did their job. I mean, there's no such thing. We don't really consider it as an upset. And UE just gave us something that really helped us. I guess it kind of cleaned up the pressure of not losing. You know, when you get so used to winning, parang kasalanan na matalo ka. But I guess what it did to us as a team is it grounded us. You know, it just reminded us that this game this season for us is going to be hard and even harder, just like what happened today with FEU. So if it doesn't kill us, it's just going to make us stronger. I guess that's just the story of our season right now.
Thank you. Tonight you had 13 points, 14 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 blocks. So how you guys responded from the loss and what you gonna guys do so to prevent it happening again?
Right. Just going off of Coach Topex, you know, the Lord gives blessings in all sizes, and for us, even though that was a rough loss to UE, you know, it really gave us an opportunity to test our character, to test that culture that we've been building for the last couple months, the last couple years that Coach Topex has been here. And so we knew this game wasn't going to be easy as well. You know, Coach Topex kind of set the tone in the locker room before games. It's going to be a grind out win. So we're happy. You know, we just really feel good to win. We still have a lot to work on, but we really needed this. You know, just to keep everybody going and get ready for our next big turnaround on Sunday.